Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making Assyrian macaroni. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the Assyrian macaroni. You will need 450 grams of elbow macaroni, half a kilo of extra lean minced meat, half a green capsicum diced, 1 large tomato diced, 1 onion diced, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of light olive oil, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 cup of dried parsley. And this is how your Assyrian macaroni should look like, so enjoy! Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!